Hey guys, it is Kayla Waller with Waller Adventures, and today I am going to show you how to make venison backstrap jalapeno poppers. So stick around, check it out. So it is almost summertime, but if you live in Florida, it has been summer since Christmas. But summer means lighting up the grill to do some grilling. So we are going to show you how to make these awesome venison backstrap jalapeno poppers. So let's get to it. So all you need for this recipe is backstrap, jalapeno peppers, cream cheese, and bacon. That's it. And a grill. If you want to get really technical, or you can also use a smoker for these. Alright, so we have our pieces of backstrap. The first thing you want to do is marinate it. We marinated this backstrap in our normal beer, Worcestershire sauce, and garlic. But you can marinate it however you want to. You can marinate it however long you want to. This way we marinated it for 12 hours. Next you want your jalapeno peppers. We have 6 of them, so now we have 12 slices of them. And you want to get all of the insides cleaned out. You want to get all the seeds out and everything else and rinse them out. Alright, so you're going to want to take a scoop of cream cheese. This is the cream cheese that I am using. And you're going to want to take your pepper like so, and you're going to want to spread it inside like so. Alright, then you want to take your slice of backstrap and set it on top, just like so. Then you want to take a slice of bacon, grab a hold of your pepper, and start wrapping it around. The bacon that I'm using today is actually maple, and it smells really good. It smells like maple. So it looks like this. Then you want to stick some toothpicks in there to hold your bacon on. But be sure you wet or soak your toothpicks. Alright, once they are done, you're going to want to take some of your favorite seasoning and sprinkle it on top. Not that much. Spew it all out. Also make sure your packet of bacon has enough bacon strips in it to cover up your jalapenos. We have a naked one. Alright. Alright. Let's go outside and fire up the grill. Alright, we're getting the grill going. There it goes. So you're supposed to set your grill to medium, but since our grill runs a little hot, we have it on low. But with these, the lower, the longer, the better. So we're getting ready to put the poppers on the grill. Alright, that front one will be our test dummy. Alright, so you want to leave them on the grill until the bacon is cooked. But like I said, we'll have that one as a little dummy to make sure the venison is cooked. So we'll give it a couple minutes and see what it looks like.
A few moments later.
Alright, once they're done on the bottom like this one, you want to flip them over so you can get the top of them cooked. Oh, some cream cheese fell in there. Alright, so I got them all flipped over. The biggest issue that I'm having with them, as you can see, is the grease dripping off of the bacon and it's flaring up fire and it's catching fire. So you got to be careful on that and watch out for that. Also, I got there's some cream cheese that fell in the grill. So just be on a lookout for it while you're cooking these and just make sure they don't catch fire.
A few moments later.
Alright, so there's a couple of smaller ones are looking pretty much done. So I'm going to take them off. But there's some other pieces on there that need to be done. But we're going to take the ones that look pretty much done off. Alrighty. They look pretty much cooked. Some of the toothpicks are gone. Alright. Alright guys, so they are cooled off, ready to eat. So let's give it a go. Alright, so you can check it out. It's all nice and crispy and grilled. Yeah. Let's try it out. Oh my God. Holy crap. These are super great. These are awesome. I love how the bacon is the maple bacon. It kind of gives it that maple syrup flavor to it. And the cream cheese kind of cools it down for you. And the venison is nice and cooked and chewy. And the jalapeno pepper is nice and crunchy. Whew. This is this is one of my favorite. This is my new favorite thing to eat and grill for the summer. Check out inside of it. Yeah, like this is the bee's knees. All right, guys, this is like my first time making these. So the issues that I had with it is on the grill. You kind of keep flipping it and turning it so the bacon wouldn't burn, and the toothpicks caught fire occasionally, but it's all right. Some of the cream cheese kept coming out because it's hot, it melts, you know. But you can put these on a smoker. If you put them on a smoker, I think it's 2 hours, and if you can bake them as well if you put them in the oven. I can't remember the temperature, but I know you put them in there for 30 minutes. So either way, they'll probably turn out perfect like these did. Some of them turned out not looking pretty, and some of them turned out looking pretty. But hey, it don't matter. It's the taste that counts. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed our Venison Backstrap Jalapeno Poppers video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you are, we greatly appreciate it. If you're not, hit that subscribe button. It will help our channel grow. We're also on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And in the description below, there is a link to our cool Wall Adventures merch. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Hey guys, it's me again. If you want to subscribe to the channel, click over here. If you want to check out some more videos, click down there. If you want to check out our cool merch shop, go to the description below and click the link. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.